Hello friends, this is the third video lecture of our constitutional law MCQ series. So today we will be solving 12 MCQs on Indian Constitution. So the first question is, which article in the Constitution of India relates to the control of the High Court over subordinate courts in the matter of posting, promotion, leave, etc. So the options are Article 226, Article 227, Article 235 or Article 228. So the right answer over here is Article 235. See, Article 226 is about writs. Article 227 is about superintendence of High Court over all the subordinate court, but it is superintendence. It is not control over the subordinate courts. And Article 228 is about transfer of cases. Transfer of cases to the High Court. So now we go to the second question. Article 262 of the Constitution of India relates to, so the options are adjudication of disputes relating to water of interstate rivers or river valleys, provisions with respect to an interstate council, consolidated fund and public account of India and of states, contingency fund. So the answer over here is option 1, adjudication of disputes related to water of interstate river or river valleys. And as far as interstate council is concerned, it is given in Article 263. So in Article 263, it is given regarding interstate councils, and regarding consolidated fund, it is given in Article 266, and regarding contingency fund, it is given in Article 267. So in Article 267, it is given regarding the contingency fund. So now we go to the third question. Which constitutional amendment act relating to the appointment of judges came for consideration of the Supreme Court and was struck down being in violation of the basic structure of the Constitution? So, like which amendment related to the appointment of judges? So the options are 99th Amendment, 100th Amendment, 101 Amendment, and 98th Amendment. So the answer over here is 99th Amendment. So 99th Amendment was related to NJAC. 99th Amendment was related to NJAC. It was the 100th Amendment. Always remember from the 100th Amendment that 100th Amendment was somewhat related to Bangladesh land boundary agreement. So it was related to the exchange of enclaves. So the 100th Amendment was related to exchange of enclaves. One step prior, it was the NJAC, and then 101st Amendment was related to GST, and this was related to 98th Amendment was related to Hyderabad Karnataka region development. So there was some amendment required for that. So now we go to the question number 4. In which case did the Supreme Court of India propound the basic feature doctrine for the very first time? So the answer is very simple. It is Keshav Nanda Bharti case. Everybody should know this. This is the historical case given by 13 judge bench. Which article in the Constitution of India relates to the subject matter of laws made by Parliament to give effect to treaties and international agreements? So to give effect to treaties and international agreement, Parliament can make law under Article 253. This is a very important article. Now we go to question number 6. which of the following is not a requirement under Article 311 of the Constitution while dealing with disciplinary proceeding for dismissal, removal, or reduction in a rank of a civil servant? So, civil servant, disciplinary proceeding. So, which is not a requirement under. So, Article 311 deals with the disciplinary proceeding regarding civil servant. So, the answer to this question is which is not the requirement under Article 311. It is a reasonable opportunity of making representation on penalty proposed. So, option 3 is the right answer. Now we go to the question number 7. Amendment to which of the following provision of Constitution require ratification by state? So the options are Article 242, List 1 of 7 Schedule, Chapter 5 of Part 4, or Chapter 2 of Part 11. So the answer is option 2, List 1 of 7 Schedule. And as far as option 3 is concerned, it should have been Chapter 5 of Part 6, because in Article 368 we have already discussed this in amendment to the Constitution video, that Part 5th, Chapter 5th of Part 6 and Chapter 4 of Part 5 are included in that, in which ratification of state is also required. And in this there should be Chapter 1 of Part 11. So Chapter 2 is given, that is why it is wrong answer. Which of the following is not a fundamental duty under Article 51A? So the answer to this question is, so the option are to abide by the Constitution as respect its ideals and institutions, to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture, to provide opportunity of education to children below the age of 6 years, or to have compassion for living creatures. So which of this is not fundamental duty? So answer will be option 3, since it is given below the age of 6. And in fundamental duty, which was added later by 86th Amendment, it is from the age of 6 years to 14 years. So the answer will be option 3. So now we go to the 9th question. Which of the following is a directive principle of state policy? So the answer to this question is option 3, to provide for participation of workers in management of industries. Which of the following, now the question number 10, which of the following is a fundamental right? So it's pretty simple, it can't be to assemble with arms. Right to employment is not a fundamental right, otherwise there are so many unemployed people in our country. They all would demand as it as their fundamental right. Right of religious denomination to own immovable property is given under Article 30. So it has to be option 2, to form cooperative societies. Now question number 11. Which of the following is a state for the purpose of Article 12? So NCERT has held to be not a state. Institute of Constitutional Parliamentary Study, no. High Court of Delhi, no. It has to be Indian Oil Corporation. Now question number 12. Which of the following article was amended by the 42nd Amendment Act? So the answer to this question is Article 330. Option number 1. So it was also amended by 42nd Amendment Act. It is, I think it is related to the reservation of seats in Parliament. So it was somewhat related to that, and it got amended by 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. So guys, if you have any doubts, so please ask in the comments section below, and please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all.